What's going on, everybody? Look what my buddy paid for fuel in California. This is why it's important to have an auxiliary tank and have enough fuel to get in and out of Cali. He does have an auxiliary tank, it just misadded, but misadding and you buy fuel like this. What's going on, everybody? Y'all having a good day today? Heck yeah. If you're not having a good day, I hope it gets better. But today, we are headed up here to Goshen, Indiana. Just left Effingham back here at the Petro stop, took a shower, got all cleaned up, shaved up. But we got us a load going to Florida. And this one is a 32-foot fifth wheel. It's going to Orange Park, Florida, General RV Center, picking up in Goshen. And this one is paying $1.88 a mile for 1,045 miles. So we are 285 miles from Goshen. So we're gonna go down here, get hooked up. And today is April the 1st. And it's supposed to 80% pouring down rain tomorrow in Indiana. So usually I go to the Loves in Goshen and hang out, chill, relax, watch some TV, load the next morning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get loaded, then go to the Loves, so I don't have to get out in the rain. It's showing we're gonna get there about 6:03. I'm gonna estimate it, say 6:30. I'm hoping there's still a little bit of daylight left, so we can get some hooking up footage and get started on this load. But I'm hoping all the wind is gone. The last several days there was tornado warnings where I live, and all up here high wind, pretty much everywhere high winds. So I'm hoping all that's gonna be gone, played out. Just have to deal with the rain and all that good stuff. Then we're gonna after we drop that Florida off, we're gonna go back, do a lot of work to the truck and all that good stuff. But I guess let's get down here and see what we can get into. Alrighty, we just got checked in with the guard shack. So now we're going to, this right here is the Goshen yard. I don't know if I put it in the videos or not. We're gonna be back here on that back row. I had a buddy of mine, he was bored and he actually come over here and check, make sure my camper was still here and everything. So that helped out, make sure, because it being Friday, Indiana's already closed, gone home for the weekend. That would suck if my load wasn't here. I'm gonna go down this aisle right here. That way I can come up and pull in it. Plus it gives you another look at them clouds. And it is 38 degrees. I am, this one's going to Florida. I'm going to the states where it's warm and then coming back to where it's cold. It sucks. I mean, it's April the 1st. You would think that it should be warm everywhere by now. At least I'm just wishing it, because I want to hurry up and get warm. But plenty of campers, especially a lot over this. Now, I haven't hauled one of these. Let me see if I can flip this around. You see that camper right there? See how flat it is? That is a mobile home. No one right there. Mobile home going down the road. In my opinion, them ain't gonna do nothing but drink some fuel. Don't care to have any of them. I hope I don't accidentally pick one. And this is the back road toward the fence. And ours should be right down here. I think you said it was like number 3 or 4 when you turn down that road. Should be up here on the left. So I'm fixing to get out and check for some numbers to make sure we are going to get the right one and check it out. We'll be back. Alrighty, we finally found it. I was on way down there. I thought he was talking about the back row right there. Now he's talking about right here. And as I see you walking up to it, I want to look. It's got mud and everything on it, so I want to look at it really good. And all that's unlocked. It's a little different system I've used. So I'm gonna walk around this thing pretty good. Only one of them will lock. Paperwork, yay! Hopefully the keys are on the dang, look at that. You can't really tell. Got a crack right in there. But maybe keys are in here. It's like playing hide and seek. On the keys. And when you're over there parking close to a fence, make sure ain't no damage back here. Make sure they didn't accidentally bump the fence. And see how close it is to the barbed wire. Make sure they ain't bump it and then accidentally, we'll just pull it up so they pins are in. But as you can see right here, the door right here is open. What is this? Why is that taped? It's locked. So I guess I'm gonna hunt around and try to find. I guess that's where the battery goes. So somebody just, when they got their battery out, just let the door open. Well, I'm gonna check it out a little bit better, and then see if I can't find the keys. Then we'll go over everything. Alrighty. Give her a little tug test, make sure she's on. And what you want to do is go back and look at that jaw. You can see the jaw right there? See how they're together close. If it was one underneath it, it would not be right. All right, whenever you got latched in, come over here, put your pin in. Make sure you put this pin in. Boom. She's locked down. I got the electricity hooked up. Let's roll the legs up. Alrighty, well, we got her loaded up. And still didn't find the keys, so Garshak's gonna have to open it up and give me the keys. Shipping weight, 12,620 pounds. GVWR, 15,500. So, this right here was, it's a nice camper. I think we're gonna get a good ride out of it. Got to get the keys though, because the lock over, the panel that you use to go up and down with, it's got to have a key to lock it. So we definitely got to find some keys somewhere. I don't know what they done with them, but all I know is one thing: I'm tired of having to wear the jacket, tired of having to wear the daggum toboggan. Let's go to Florida. We got her parked here. We're fixing to unhook. Orange Park, Florida. And whenever you're coming to a Journal RV, let me slide around there, Journal RV, you can come and park and you could drop off your camper, okay? But the only problem is, if you pick them up at the, I couldn't find still didn't find no keys. The guard shack said he was gonna write the keys off. So he locked the doors and everything for me, but left the control panel so I can still unhook. So I'm gonna be able to unhook, but I'm gonna hang out till in the morning and get the paperwork, because the guy riding with me, he picked up at Journal RV itself, and they locked everything up, even the control panel. He can't even get to the control panel to drop. So we're supposed to be able to drop at all Journal RVs. It's kind of hard to do that when they keep the key, and don't let you in. So I'm gonna let down the legs, landing gear, pull out from underneath it, get this heavy thing off my truck, and send in some paperwork. Alrighty, everybody, this one right here is a done deal. All we gotta do now is we're gonna wait and hang out with the other guy and get it checked in, and we're gonna leave. But I'm already unhooked, got everything going, so I'm gonna back out of the way, and this one is done. Now it's time to go home, get started on some truck work. We got a lot of work to do to the girl, so a lot of work. So we're gonna go home and get it done. But thank y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share, comment below, and y'all be careful, y'all be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.